100%, you know. We still stay strong, still stay strong. Man, strip on my life, me never weak out when you.
What's up? We are here at the tax office today. I'm running errands. Shami's with me. We've been here for a while. I don't know that we're already car stuff and all of them something there. So after this, we're gonna get something to eat. I had a lash appointment for 12. Now it's 12, almost 12:30, and it was for 12. So I'm not sure if that's going to work out for today again. But I want to do my nails. My nails look bad, so I want to do that. And you want to hear it? We could do it together. So we both can do our nails, and I need a pedicure, and we'll get something to eat. So it's a follow us around kind of day. So yeah. Yeah, sure. Yeah, anyway, I barely got through. Better? I barely got through at the tax office. Well, I kind of halfway. Never go back. But right now, I pause and so I'm going to have this and I'm going to do my nails. And the previous clip was so blurry. My apologies. When I use a phone, but I'm getting my camera very soon. So that should be a relief. So yeah. So we're going to grab on this and come back. Shall be having Whopper and fries and orange juice. I have a salad. I have a salad here and orange juice. Guys, so we are going to do our nails now. I'm gonna get simple. I'm gonna do a pedicure and then come back. Guys, we finished our nails. We both got new. This one went a little longer. Hope this focus. And I just got focus. I got these shocking toes. This is what I was trying to tell us chocolate a while ago. Little boy come up and say how much of the chocolate here. $200. I don't know, $200.
I don't know the cheap chocolate them.
Like the cheap chocolate them.
May you say 2 days. When I have 2 days, give me one.
Right?
So much we think you must say $100.
It's not easy at all.
Still have themselves, you know.
I know. Anyway, they're on the plaza. What? Now going around to the other side. We're gonna probably make one more stop and then home it will be, right? No, not more for the right? Yeah, for the day. That's pretty much it. So yeah, walk in. Guys, so we got Island Grill, as you can see. So Shami got special. I got go lights, vegetables and green plantain and chicken breast, chicken breast. Haven't been eating much carbs, which isn't really good, but I have these plantains, so I'm going to eat these now. Let me show you what we have. So this is what I got, and this is what Shami got. This is what Shami got. Right. Yeah, so that's what we're eating. I've been eating a lot of vegetables from like last week, so I've got cran water. So first, if you guys saw me eating a salad from Burger King, now I'm at Island Grill. Guys, so we're home. We are home. Shami up here. We chilling. We about to watch TV. But I told myself that I really want to put out a vlog today, which is Thursday for you guys, but it's really the day before that I'm recording it because today is actually Wednesday, but you're seeing it on Thursday. You get the gist, right? Up rain, I'll come down and something, and I thought it would be my teeth raining than that here because the time get hot. Like you can definitely feel summer coming in full effect. Like Nah play, nah idle. Like school's about to be out.
For Easter.
For summer.
For Easter.
Listen,
holiday.
it feels like it's about to be summer. Let's talk. Tell me where you guys going for Easter weekend. Comment it down below in the comment section. Like, I want to see. This Easter weekend seems like it. Me know say it's going to be very festive. I feel like all of the major holidays them really lit in Jamaica. What you think?
Yeah.
Like, because Easter the first one, right? But look on Valentine's what day. Like Valentine's isn't even a real holiday, and the way people took it seriously. Then Easter now, summer is a long drawn out holiday, so sometimes I'll get tired of summer. But Easter, Heroes Weekend, and then Christmas.
September to December time, I don't remember.
Heroes Weekend.
Yeah.
Heroes Weekend, I just say it. Heroes Weekend.
Yeah, Easter weekend, then summer, then Heroes weekend, then
Yeah,
Christmas.
all the major holidays are. So you're not in Jamaica. What are you doing?
Work.
A joke, right? Because listen, let me tell you. You see the way the whole party lifestyle set up in Jamaica, and the dressing. Like my friends say, people are living above their means. To go certain place. Oh my god. Yeah, I know my hair kind of. Listen, right now I'm just giving my hair a little breather. I'm going to wash it. I'm going to do a little quick wash again for the weekend, because I wash it weekend gone, and then back to the wigs. It's actually approaching. Well, it is at the awkward length. You know the awkward length the way you reach when you do the big chop. That's where my hair is at right now. It's at that awkward length, and it's not even 1 year since I did the big chop, right? Not ready to give an update though. Like, I really don't want to focus on my natural hair right now at all. I really don't want to, because I made that decision when I had to do the big chop the second time, because it's like when you try this and that and everything in the world, it's like your hair gets so overwhelmed, and I really don't want the focus to be about my natural hair. I'll just give little updates here and there, but like to do dedicated videos or tutorials right now for natural hair, you know, give me some more months, or probably, yeah, give me some more months, and we'll see how it goes. Because I'm really just sticking to one dege line, you know. I'm here about to make a snack. So I have cucumber, carrot, and apple, just a half of an apple. So basically, you guys saw where. Okay, by the way, if you did not check out my main channel, go ahead and do so, because I always get so many questions. You guys want to see like what I eat in a day, and stuff like that, which I've done so many of those. But you know, as time goes along, I constantly change up how I eat and what I eat. So I recently put out a video where I was very detailed about the supplements that I've been taking since recently, and where I get all of them from and stuff like that. And I did a very detailed leg routine, you know, very detailed, more than what I usually do over here. And I won't be doing any more workout videos over here on my vlog channel, because I have a specific section for that on my main channel, so you guys need to go ahead and check that out.
The day is about to get really
Real
crazy. Got my
Okay, what's your
nails
music?
done. Oh my god.
No, sir, the music bulky ugly.
I just went for really long nails.
But think we did with them then
faded
away.
French.
Then do what I would
I
have
love
to
them, you know. Coffee
No,
shakes.
Shamir really love. That was my
Then I
first
have
big
to
chopping
go to
of
Barney
people.
Mall. Then I have to come home.
No man, come look like young Rasta.
The tickets for the
So that's pretty much where I'm gonna end today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumb up, and I'm gonna jump into editing, and then I'm actually very tired right now, want to sleep, but that's it. So I'll see you guys in my next vlog. So until then, bye.